if you're experiencing issues with your Steam Deck update getting stuck. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve update issues. Hold down the power button until the device powers off, then turn it back on to see if the update resumes. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can test this by browsing the web or streaming content. If the connection is weak, try switching to a different network or resetting your router. Step 3. Clear download cache. Navigate to the Steam settings and find the option to clear the download cache. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 4. Verify game files. If the update is for a specific game, go to your library, right-click on the game, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any issues with the game files and may resolve the update problem. Step 5. Reinstall Steam. As a last resort, you can uninstall and then reinstall the Steam application on your Steam Deck. This can fix any underlying issues with the software that may be preventing updates from completing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Steam Deck update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.